Hey everybody, okay, so this is going to be video number 2, and this is basically my explanation slash thesis of what I'm going to be covering in my paper on Heart of Darkness. Basically, what I'm going to be covering is how the persona archetype is best represented by the Russian character, and how it affects Marlowe, and the effects it has on the superego, and how it has an effect on its contrasting archetype, the shadow represented by Kurtz. And so, just a little bit more of a rundown. The Russian is seen as more of this sort of, I guess, lighter character. It has a bit more of a positive feel towards him, and Marlowe sort of tries to be a little bit more like him, and Kurtz, on the other hand, is more of the negative sort of bad character, and so Marlowe has a little bit of a he gets pulled in between both of them, and so that puts him in the middle as the sort of like an ego would be by the Ide and the superego. And so these characters can also be, I guess, classified as a superego and an Ide, with Marlowe, or I'm sorry, the Russian being the superego, and Kurtz being the Ide, which normally has the superego, has a positive feel, and the Ide has a more negative feel. So the archetype of the persona used by the Russian is sort of a way for Marlowe to balance himself against Kurtz, and without the Russian, Kurtz would probably have too big of an influence over Marlowe, and he would lean more, I guess, towards the dark, I would say. But also having that the superego slash persona, the persona there, it shows how distressed he becomes because he has to balance, which causes a lot of trouble. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and bye-bye.